Dear students, Jai Hind. Take another question. Question number 8. If sum of n terms of an AP is Pn is plus Qn square, given that Sn is equal to Pn plus Qn square, where P and Q are constants, n is number of terms. Find the common difference. This is a property of AP. For completion, if sum of n terms of an AP is not AP, if sum of n terms of a sequence is given by Sn is equal to An square plus Bn, then sequence will be an AP with common difference equal to 2a. अगर कोई सीक्वेंस है जिसके n टर्म का सम क्वाड्रेटिक है n में, a और b कांस्टेंट है, an स्क्वायर प्लस bn, तो ऐसी सिचुएशन में गिवन सीक्वेंस हमेशा AP होगा जिसका कॉमन डिफरेंस n स्क्वायर के कोएफिशिएंट का डबल होगा. दिस इज प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ AP. You can use this concept as trick for completion, but you cannot write common difference of this as 2 into q. For academic, you are required to prove how it is obtained. Proceed. Here sum of n terms is given. Sum of n minus 1 terms will be equal to P n minus 1 plus Q n minus 1 whole square. It is sum of n terms. If you put n is equal to 1, you will get sum of 1 term, that is first term. If you put n is equal to 2, you will get sum of 2 terms. Similarly, sum of n minus 1 term will be P, n replaced by n minus 1, n replaced by n minus 1. Now, see here, if 1, 2, 3, A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 forms sum of 4 terms, S4. If you subtract sum of 3 terms, what remains? S4 minus S3 will be A4. All these become cancelled, A4 remains. So similarly here, if you subtract S of n minus 1 from Sn, you will get An is equal to S of n minus S of n minus 1 is equal to Pn plus Qn square minus P of n minus 1 plus Q of n minus 1 whole square is equal to, this is Pn minus P of n minus 1 plus qn square minus q of n minus 1 whole square is equal to, take p common, n minus n plus 1. There is minus sign outside bracket, when bracket opens sign changes. Plus q become common, n square minus n minus 1 whole square is equal to, simply n to n become cancelled, plus q. Here is a square minus b square, apply formula, n minus 1 into n plus n minus 1. A square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b is equal to p plus q. n minus n become cancelled, minus minus 1 plus 1, no meaning, 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1, not plus 1. This is an nth term. Similarly, as you know that common difference is equal to an minus 1, next term minus previous term. Difference between any two consecutive terms is equal to p plus q into 2n minus 1 minus p plus q into 2n minus 1 minus 1. In place of n, we will write n minus 1. A of n minus 1 is equal to this p become cancelled, q become common. What remains? From here you will receive 2n minus 1. From here you will receive 1 minus 2n minus 1. This minus changes sign of this. Plus q, we have taken plus q common. Q 2n minus 1 minus, this become plus, this become minus, is equal to q plus 1 minus 1 become cancelled, 2n minus 2n become cancelled, minus 2 into minus 1 become plus 2 is equal to 2. This is common difference. If you feel any difficulty at this level, then you can also write as an is equal to, this become p plus q into n square minus 2n plus 1. Now open bracket, n square become cancelled, minus minus plus 2n, minus plus minus. So this become here p plus q of 2n minus 1. Now you can solve remaining questions of exercise 9.2. If there is any question, feel free to ask immediately. Thank you.